Hey guys, it's Janae here with Lee Sugar Wax Co. and I'll be showing you guys how to sugar wax. So I'll be starting off with our all natural coconut dusting powder to suck up any moisture. And I'm also grabbing a fan because it's getting warm here and we don't have our AC on yet. So just making sure everything is cooled down. I'm also testing our sugar wax before I apply it directly to my skin. I used a 16-ounce jar here because I just had too much to wax. I was long overdue. So I just wanted to make sure that I had enough sugar wax to cover everything that I wanted to, wax today. And you can see here that I applied the sugar wax in the opposite direction of hair growth. I placed the strip on top, rubbed it in real good just to make sure every hair was properly coated. And then I pulled the strip in the same direction. You can see it got it all. I like to do my underarms in half sections just to ensure that I got every, strand of hair, because trying to do it in one big chunk, I mean, you can do it, but it just makes it, so much more clean when you just split up the sections and not try to overdo it. And it only takes me about 5 minutes to do my underarms, if that. It doesn't take a long time, but I would definitely recommend splitting the sections in half. You can see with 2 pulls, I got everything that I needed to get. It got it all. It was so easy to do. And then you will see here that I'm starting with my other underarm. And I'm applying the sugar wax in the opposite direction of hair growth because you want to make sure that every hair is coated properly, and the sugar wax will lift those hairs up and just make sure that every hair is coated properly. I'm grabbing my skin tight because you want to make sure that you're pulling just your hair and not your skin, because that'll be kind of painful to kind of pull your skin at the same time, and you're just pulling in the same direction that the hair grows. And I'm going to be doing that second half because, like I said, I love to split up my underarms just to make sure that, I'm not rushing the process, that it's getting clean, and I don't have, any, random hairs just kind of sitting around. So I love to make sure that I do my underarms in 2 separate sections to make sure I got every piece of hair. And you can see that it got it all. I didn't have to go through and do any cleanups or anything. But you can see here that I'm taking a baby wipe just to remove any excess residue from the sugar. Then I'm taking our all natural soothing oil, and you could tell that it just hit the spot for me. It felt so good. The peppermint just it just does it for my skin. And that is all. That's all I do. I'm telling you, it's so quick, so easy. You can do it yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed.